Suppose the line 3x plus y is equal to c, where c is constant, is a tangent to the curve g of x. The question is to find the value of c. Okay, since the line 3x plus y is equal to c is a tangent to the curve g, we know that slope of this line, which is equal to -3, that must be equal to the slope of tangent line of g, which is g prime of x. G prime of x is equal to 3x squared plus 6x, and that is equal to -3. So if we solve this equation, 3x squared plus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Divide each term by 3, x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. If we factor this trinomial, that's x plus 1 squared is equal to 0. So x is equal to -1. At this point, this line is a tangent line to the curve g at x equal to -1. Let's say this is graph of g. Then at x equal to -1, let's say this is -1. We have tangent line here, and the equation of this tangent line is x plus y is equal to c. So if we can find the y coordinate of this point right here, then we can eventually find the value of c. Notice that this point is also on the graph of g. So if we substitute -1 for x in the function g, then our y coordinate is 3 times -1 squared minus 1. That's -1 plus 3 minus 1. That is 1. So we know that this coordinate is -1, 1. Now use this x and y coordinate to find the value of c. Substitute -1 for x plus 1 for y. So the value of c is equal to -3 plus 1, -2. That's our answer.